What is up, everyone? My name is Sleepwell, and today I want to show you how I'm earning over 300% APY on my Fantom. You see what's going on the screen, you probably know where this is going. I'm not going to reveal some crazy secret. It's actually pretty straightforward, and many people have already covered TOMB Finance. But I thought I'd still make a video and explain my thoughts and explain why I'm doing it the way I'm doing it. But before I get into it, I have a small favor to ask. Something like 98% of the viewers of this channel are not subscribed. So if that's you, just hit that red button. I really appreciate it. And if you like the content, you'll be updated every day. I'm trying to post pretty much every day. With that out of the way, let's get into it. All I'm doing is farming the TOMB Fantom liquidity pool. And I'm doing it through an auto compounder called Reaper.Farm. Let me show you. Here's the crypt that I'm farming. As you can see, I have $7,000 in value in that crypt right now, which is earning me $30 per day and $200 per week, which is pretty good, but nothing really crazy compared to other opportunities in DeFi. But let me explain why I still think it's a good opportunity. And to do that, let's look at Fantom's total value locked. So currently, Fantom, the whole blockchain, is ranked number 6 with 6.5 billion in TVL. Now, let's look at the blockchain right below it, Polygon. It has 5.5 billion in TVL. And now, let's look at the prices of both of these coins. Let's look at Fantom first. And it will make sense why we're looking at this in a little bit. So Fantom is at $2.57 and 6.5 billion market cap. Now let's look at Polygon. $2.57 and 17 billion market cap. So Fantom has more money in TVL by $1 billion compared to Polygon, while having a market cap that's 3 times smaller. Do you understand where this is going? I think Fantom is undervalued. So what I want to do is I want to have as much exposure to Fantom token. I think it will go up in value, and that's what it's been doing over the past couple days, and I think it will continue doing so. So I want to have as much exposure to Fantom as possible. I don't really care about the ecosystem overall, about any other tokens on Fantom, but I do care about Fantom token itself. So the best way to farm it without experiencing impermanent loss or anything like that is farming the Fantom TOMB LP. Why? Because TOMB is algorithmically, it's an algorithmic stablecoin that's pegged to Fantom. As you can see at the moment, 1 TOMB equals 1.0393 Fantom. And that's amazing for me because I don't really care about TOMB itself. I don't really care about the whole platform. What I care about is the Fantom token. And that's why I'm doing it the way I'm doing it. There's many different ways to farm on TOMB Finance. You could buy some T-shares, go to Masonry, and earn 567% APR. On T-share, you would be earning TOMB, so you could claim it every day and then convert it to Fantom and do all this stuff. But I think that's too much work, and I don't really want exposure to T-share. I don't want it. All I want is having a lot of Fantom. And that's why I'm farming this crypt, this liquidity pool, and currently earning 363% APY, which is amazing on a token that you think will go up, and you're not experiencing any impermanent loss. I think that's the best opportunity out there right now, and let me just show you how you can do it. All you gotta do is have some Fantom in your wallet. I have 235 right now. Select deposit here, then select Fantom in this dropdown, and then enter how much you want to deposit. I'll deposit 225 Fantom. And confirm. Once the transaction goes through, that's it. That's all you got to do. It's super simple, and that's why I really like this platform. But let me warn you, there is a couple risks with the strategy that you should know about. One of them being that TOMB could potentially depeg in the future from Fantom. And that's where you would experience impermanent loss, and that would be really bad, of course. However, I don't think that will happen anytime soon. The team is pretty good behind the TOMB Finance platform, and it also has the backing of Harry Ye, who is like a Fantom maxi billionaire. So yeah, the platform, the TOMB Finance itself, has pretty good backing. So I don't think the TOMB token will depeg anytime soon. However, that's still a possibility, so you should always be aware of that. That could potentially happen. And another risk is using Reaper.Farm itself. Reaper.Farm is an auto compounder, which means you are putting your tokens into a smart contract. That means you're exposing your tokens to potential exploits. That's what happened to Green Finance recently, a couple of weeks ago, where $30 million was stolen due to an exploit. And that could happen with Reaper.Farm itself as well. And if that does happen, there's not really much you can do. You would just lose all your tokens. So it is what it is, but I think the risk is well worth it for me. I'm obviously not putting all my eggs in this basket. I'm only putting a small percentage of my portfolio into this, but I still think it's a good opportunity. And lastly, there is a little bonus here for using Reaper.Farm. They are actually still in beta. They actually haven't officially dropped, haven't officially released. And once they do, I'm pretty certain they will release their own token. That means if you're using their platform, you will be potentially eligible for an airdrop. Here's what they said on December 18th. Just so everyone knows, Reaper and Grim tokens are not endorsed nor affiliated with Reaper.Farm. We don't launch till 2022 or something like that. Eyes emoji. They're pretty much hinting that they will have a token, and just like any other protocol, if you're using this protocol, you would potentially be eligible for this airdrop. And Reaper.Farm is one of the biggest auto compounders on Fantom, so I think this token airdrop would actually be pretty valuable. That's why I'm choosing to stay with Reaper.Farm, use their crypt, meanwhile getting amazing rewards on a Fantom token that I really like, that I want to hold, and on top of that, potentially in the future, I'll get an airdrop. Sounds like a win-win-win to me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.